Let me save you a headache. Most AI cinematic tools look amazing until you try to control the scene. You get random camera moves, inconsistent characters, and motion that breaks realism. So today, I'm reviewing Higgsfield Cinema Studio, and I'll show you the real reason it's different. Cinema Studio isn't about throwing a long prompt at AI. It's a workflow. You build like a filmmaker. One strong frame first, then you expand it into motion. That single change fixes 80% of the chaos. So instead of making a movie scene, I'm going to build something more useful. A clean cinematic product / creator B-roll sequence that you can use for ads, reels, YouTube, or brand content. No actors, no complex story, just cinematic shots that actually hold up. Using Cinema Studio is super easy. All you have to do is upload your input image, select your parameters like prompts, camera angles, and even lenses, and it will generate cinematic visuals instantly. But that's just the beginning. You can then feed the image into its state-of-the-art video generator and turn it into full videos. You get complete control over camera movement, music, lip sync, and much more. Alright, now let me take you through my entire process step by step. The very first step in Cinema Studio is creating a single cinematic image from Cinema Studio page, which will serve as the foundation for our entire film. Every camera angle, every shot, and all the animation will build from this. Before generating anything, it's important to set up your image correctly because these choices really shape the final look. At the bottom, you'll find a box to paste your prompt. I've already written my prompt, so I'll paste it in. Now let's configure it to generate 2 images. And just above that, the camera options. These aren't just any cameras, they're cinema-grade models used in real film productions, like the Red VR or the Sony Venice IMAX. We've included example images for each camera option so you can easily see what each setting produces. This is important because it helps us choose the right camera option to produce the best video output. Higgsfield already provides a collection of camera options for us to choose from, so we can simply pick one without needing to analyze every option in detail. Now, click Generate. The platform will create 2 images for us. For this example, we'll generate an image of a young woman sitting behind the steering wheel of a car. Once the 2 images are ready, we'll choose the one that best fits the opening frame of our video. Next, to generate the first shot, we'll try using the Start End Frame feature. To keep the shot consistent and fully controlled, we'll use the Edit feature to create a new image based on our selected start image. We'll update the prompt to introduce emotional contrast, a blend of beauty and horror. Great, now we'll use this newly generated image as the end frame for our first shot. Then we generate the video using the same prompt. So the motion starts from the first image and evolves into the horror contrast end frame. As usual, we generate 2 videos for reference and pick the best one. A moment later, we have 2 videos. Awesome. But notice that Higgsfield currently doesn't support video generation with audio when using both start and end frames. So instead, we'll switch to image to video, which means we'll only use the start frame, our first generated image, and animate it. Now let's clear the workspace and generate again. Perfect, the videos now include audio, and the quality is outstanding. We'll keep the one we want for the final cut and delete the other. For the next shot, we want the video to continue smoothly from the first one. To do that, we can take a screenshot from one of the last frames of the first video and use it as the start frame for the second shot. We'll tweak the prompt with a clearer action, for example. She snaps her head left, her sensual calm shattering into panic. Then we configure camera movement. Just hover over the movement options and choose the one that fits. Hit Generate, and shortly after we'll get a second video that continues naturally from the first. Again, we pick our favorite and delete the unused one. Nice. We're basically making a mini movie like an AI director in just a few minutes. Now let's add the final shot. A low-mounted tracking camera follows a sleek modern sedan racing down an empty highway. Heat waves ripple across the asphalt. Suddenly the car fishtails violently. Tires screech. To do that, we first generate an image of a sleek modern sedan. Then animate it using image to video. We adjust the video prompt, enable slow motion, and hit generate. Awesome. Once we have all three clips with consistent flow, we can merge them into a single sequence, a continuous video that's over 25 seconds long. And that's the complete process. We began with just a single prompt, and from that we crafted a cinematic image and transformed that one still frame into a full cinematic sequence. Just like that, you can build an entire film scene, shot by shot, starting from nothing more than a single line of text. The best part, both image and video generation happen seamlessly in one place. No switching between tools, no interruptions to your creative flow. Whether you're into cinematic storytelling, high-impact ads, or short films, Higgsfield Cinema Studio offers one of the most advanced AI filmmaking workflows available today. Take your time with it, they offer plans with reasonable pricing, and each plan provides good value for users.